Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Today in this video, I am going to be showing you how you can add products to your Shopify store. First of all, go to the Products menu. Click on Add Product. Insert a title for your product. In the description field, you can add details about the product. Apart from adding text, you will get the options to display other multimedia elements in the product description, such as images, videos, and so on. To insert a video, click here. Then a pop-up will appear where you can enter an iframe code that you can get from YouTube or Vimeo. Now click on the Insert Video button. You can change the text format using this drop-down option. If you want to add any list over here, you can also do that. There are options to create both ordered and unordered lists. It is also possible to insert a table, using which you can show product comparison or feature list. In the Images field, you can upload single or multiple images for your product. Click Upload Image and select the images you want to upload. To add the alternative text of an image, simply hover over an image and click here. Let's insert an alternative text and click Done. Using alternative texts for the images improves search engine optimization, as they describe the images of a web page. You can also drag and drop these images to alter the order. The larger image you see here will be the default image of your product. From the pricing section, insert the product price from here. If you want to offer any discounts on your product, you can insert the previous price in the Compare at Price field. In case you are not offering any discounts, just leave the Compare at Price field empty. The Cost per Item field is to display the cost of your item. Let's move on to the Inventory section. Here, you can add an SKU for your product that means Stock Keeping Unit. You can use any random number for the SKU. If you have a barcode for your product, enter the code over here. Otherwise, simply just leave the field empty. To track the inventory, select this option from here. Add a quantity to maintain the inventory. If you want to allow your customers to order any product, even if it's out of stock, enable this option. If your product is any sort of software or any digital product, then disable this option. But if you are adding a physical product, keep this option enabled. Now, to configure the shipping options, you need to add the weight of the product and measurement unit. After adding those, select the country where the product is manufactured. Use an HS code, which is required by the border officers to classify the product. You can collect the code from them. If you don't have an HS code, ignore it. In another video, we have demonstrated how to add product variants, such as color, size, etc. Sometimes, you might want to hide a product from your online store for a certain amount of time so that you can show that product later. To do so, disable this option and click the Done button. Also, you can make a schedule if you want the product to be published in your store after a few days. Select the product type from here, for example, fashion, electronics, etc. Here, you can select the product type from the existing ones, or you can create a new type. Similarly, in the vendor field, you can create a new vendor or choose from the existing vendors. Here, you can select the collection under which you want this product to be added. If you want to learn how to manage the collections, we have another video for that. In the Tags field, you can add single or multiple tags for your product to get a better understanding of its features and characteristics. After adding all the information, press Save to publish your product. That's all for this video. If you have any questions, please drop us a comment below. Thank you.